Good morning. I am Kevin Minley, the General Manager of Russ Darrow, Kia Wauwatosa, as we like to say, the Kia of Wauwatosa. That's what we do around here. I just want to say that I was excited because they asked me which car would I choose between the Stinger or the EV-6. And I tell you, I'm kind of torn between the two. Here you have performance, here you have performance. Here you have gas power, here you have electric. I don't know. I love the styling of both. I like the way this is nice and sleek, it's more traditional. And when you look at it, you just know that this is a massive vehicle that's going to take you off the line. And then when you look at this one like this is a cool car. It's futuristic, love the concept, but you don't know what this one can do, right? You don't know that this can tear your head off in speed and give you great fuel economy. However, I'm old school, I'm an old man, and I'm not used to the electric. I know that's gonna be the wave of the future, but right now, today, if it was me, I would take the Stinger.
Good morning, this is Michael Zippity. Dude, I was asked, would I take a Stinger or would I take the EV-6? I've been blessed to have the Stinger lease for over a year and a half, which I felt like I was driving way too fast. And now I've been driving the EV-6 all electric for about 3 or 4 months. I would take the EV-6 all day, all electric, because guess what? I wake up every morning and I don't have to worry about what premium is costing or whether OPEC has just cut production. I sleep like a little baby while it's being charged every night to full capacity. And now I don't have to go to the gas station for nothing but coffee now.
Hi, my name is Chad. I was asked today to choose between EV-6 and our Kia Stinger here, which vehicle I'd rather choose. I would personally choose the Stinger here, with it being an all-wheel drive option. Perfect sedan for driving through the snow.
I was told to pick between the EV-6 and the Stinger. I have to go with the EV-6 because of the power.
God.
What's going on, guys? Of course, it's your favorite Magic Man, Big Big. So, I was asked if I had to choose between an EV-6 and a Stinger, which one would it be? Come on, it's a no-brainer, the Stinger, baby. It's fast, it's sexy, it's cool looking, everything. Of course it'd be the Stinger. It's loud, all that. Got the subs in the back, got the dual exhaust. Yes, I'm picking the Stinger all day. That's all I got for you. It's Magic. I'm gone. All right. See ya.
Hi, name's Steve Garner, and I was asked if I would own a Stinger or an EV-6. I would choose the EV-6 because the gas is so doggone high right now that the EV-6 and using just electric would be more efficient for my pocketbook. So yes, I would take the EV-6 because it would be economically sound.
Hi, I was asked which would be better, EV-6 or Stinger. I picked the EV-6 because it's fast, saves on gas, and it's got pizzazz.